course in commerce after 12th standard? If you're looking for the answer, then you are at the right video. I'm Megha Bansali, Commerce Career Coach, ACCA and a Chartered Accountant. In this video, we are going to be decoding a lot of factors about various courses. I'm not going to be discussing the course structure because I've made a couple of videos already on them. You can watch them to understand each of the course structure. But basically the point I want to draw in this video is you choose a course not because it's best, but because it is the best for you. So decide the course which is best for you and not which is best. Because see, I understand you're at the age of 16, 17 and you need to make a decision for the rest of your life, which is very difficult. And you're going to be listening to your friends, you're going to be listening to your relatives, you're going to be listening to your parents. But whom you really need to listen to is yourself. You need to decide the career based on your area of interest, based on your liking and based on your strength, not because your friend is doing it, because your parent is forcing, or because your relative is suggesting that it's the best course. So how do you decide if a particular qualification is best suited for you is what I'm going to help you understand in this video. So if you are looking at Indian Chartered Accountancy, then only opt for it if you're someone who can stay consistent for a very long period of time, can put in long working hours, work really hard and do not get demotivated very easily with failure. If all of that fits in, then yes, Indian Chartered Accountancy can be the perfect course for you, and it typically takes 5 to 6 years to complete the CA and is supposed to be one of the most difficult qualification in our country. Moving on to ACCA. If you're someone who got little scared after listening about CA and you're someone who cannot put in that extra hours, you're someone who gets distracted very soon, then probably you can opt for ACCA because it's flexible. You can attempt an examination every quarter, so you do not have to spend a lot of time studying for one subject. Basically, you can give good 3 months for one paper. So you have enough time to prepare. So it's quite flexible, quite trending, and if you're looking to work in any of the MNCs or you're planning to go outside India, then ACCA is the perfect qualification for you. Next, what I have is the company secretary qualification. If you're someone who really likes theory, who likes law, who finds doing compliance work very interesting, then company secretary is the perfect qualification for you. Lastly, I have the USCMA. If you're someone who wants quick results and want quick career kickstart, then USCMA qualification is perfect for you. Now, this qualification will give you opportunities to work in MNCs and can take you global. So, if you want to work outside India and you want quick results, then USCMA qualification fits in perfectly. However, if you're someone who does not like logic, number crunching, data analysis, then USCMA might not be the perfect fit for you. So guys, please consider all of these factors before you jump onto a qualification, because the question here is not which is the best course, the question here is which is the best course for me. So please understand your strength and align your interest accordingly. In case you're confused with so many options, with so much of gyan on YouTube, then don't worry guys, just get in touch with me. I'll be very happy to guide you and to help you understand how to go about your career. And guys, please do share this video with more of your confused friends and with probably some of your parents to help them understand that you do not want to get into the pressure. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel and like the video. I'll be back with more such content. Till then, take care. See you all.